Happy day to all. This is Nivedita, co-founder and chief physiotherapist of Sri Aahana Physiotherapy Clinic. Today I am going to discuss about the advantages of using Indian toilets over the Western ones. We have all become so much westernized that we have totally forgotten the Indian toilets. We have all started losing our values and importance of our own traditions. Using Indian toilets is in a way going to make you fit and healthier. When you squat in the Indian toilets, it helps you to increase the blood circulation in the body. It helps in increasing the digestion part by pressurizing your stomach when you use the Indian toilets. One more important factor is the muscle work that happens while using the Indian toilets and the Western ones. In the Indian toilets, when you squat, what happens is the important puborectalis muscle, that is, it will help in clogging the colon. The role of this puborectalis muscle is to hold the colon tight. So in sitting position, this puborectalis muscle will not relax and it will not help in completely clearing your colon. So some amount of stools will be retained in the colon while using the Western kind of toilets. In the Indian toilets, this puborectalis muscle, when you go for the squatting position, they'll relax as shown in the picture. So when they relax, there will be complete clearance of stools from the colon. So this helps in prevention of colon related problems like cancer and few other diseases which happen due to retaining of the stools in the colon. If you are pregnant, then this is for you, because this usage of Indian toilets with a squatting position will help in widening the pelvis, and it will also help in smooth and natural delivery. Since most of our houses have only Western toilets, now we cannot change anything as far. So what we can do is we can just modify the position with the help of a stool as shown in the figure. So using stools in these kind of Western toilets will help in relaxation of the puborectalis muscle, as well as it will aid in a kind of squatting position. So complete evacuation of the colon will be possible while you use these kind of stools. One more important thing is, while choosing baby potty chairs, what you will have to do is don't go for the normal chair kind ones as shown in the figure. Instead, go for potty chairs that can make your child to squat or sit with the legs on both the sides as shown in the figure. So this will help children to evacuate their colon completely, and it will help to prevent a lot of colon related problems. If you are building a new house, kindly make sure that the Indian kind of toilet exists there. If you are going to buy stools that we showed earlier or potty chairs for your babies, kindly buy products like that shown in the link below, so that you and your family get the values of our own tradition and their benefits. If you have been specifically advised by your physician or your physiotherapist not to use the Indian toilets, kindly you don't use them. But those who are healthy and normal individuals can always go for the Indian kind of toilets to enjoy the benefits of them. Thank you.